Hello and welcome to the video. In this video we solve exercise number 3-13. In this exercise we use the model 3-3 and the average time for completion of the four tasks of an application is now have been increased of 18% in this example, and the rest of the values would remain same. So we need to compare the specialized serial processing, that is model 3-2, to generalized parallel processing model, that is 3-3, to the exercise values 3-13. Okay, so let's move to the arena home screen, and in this screen simply you need to change the process time or its expression value to 1.18 times the previous expression. So you can see the as the increase in 18%, so that's why 1.18 is added, and the rest of the values under the each field would remain same, and there is no change in the create module values as well as in the dispose module. And this is the resource animation of the loan officer, idle and busy. We have already covered how we can create this resource animation, and the link of these steps is attached under description. And this is the application in process chart that is showing the entities work in process for the loan application. So simply build this expression, entities work in process, and under the run setup menu, make sure you have 160 hours to run this simulation with one replication value only, and then simply click OK. And now let's run the simulation, and the simulation is continued, and click this yes button, and here you can see the work in process application is 10.85, and you can see the completed process or average time in queue is 8.6, and average time in system is 13.366, and the total number of application that is processed so far is 127. So you can now compare these results to the previous model 3-2 and 3-3, and here you can see the field values of model 3-2 and model 3-3, and you can compare each of these values to exercise 3-13 values. So it is appears that the 18% increase in task time wipe out much of the advantage of the generalized parallel work arrangement. However, this comparison is based on only one replication of each alternative. So this concludes exercise 3-13. Thank you.